Hello, good people. Good evening, good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are. This is G Boss with Crawl into Wealth. And what I want to show you today is something that I think when you understand the numbers, you understand the power that Vortic United has to offer to us. But before we jump into that, I just want you all to understand that I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before you get involved in any of these projects that are shared on my channel. Also, only invest what you can afford to lose. Do not invest your mortgage, your rent, your car note, or borrow money from any institutions, such as bank or even family members or friends. So with that out of the way, let's just jump right into this. I'm super excited for this new venture that I've gotten into, Vortic United. It is showing to be very powerful thus far, and I'm just loving it. So as you all can see, I know I said I won't be talking about numbers, but it looks like sometimes when you don't talk about numbers, people don't fully understand the whole concept or grasp the entire power of a platform. So I decided I'm going to switch it up a little bit and I'll just show some numbers so that folks can fully understand what this company has to offer, right? So as you all can see right now, my account is growing. I do have some referrals, commissions that came in. Okay, I like it. It's growing, it's growing, it's growing. So definitely I can see my way crawling into wealth because eventually I want to be able to blast into wealth. And folks, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. If you like this content, just give it a thumbs up, share it, comment on it. And if you like what I'm sharing with Vortic United, I will have my link in the description below. So go right ahead and just sign up. And you can actually browse the platform and get to fully understand and do your own due diligence while you are inside the platform. So as I mentioned, as you all can see right now, I'm getting referral bonus. So with the packages of portfolios that I have, pretty much you will understand that I did their plan A, which allows me to generate income for like 60 or 46 weeks. And I'm going to be earning 0.8% daily, which is roughly about 4% weekly. And that is fine because Vortic only trades Monday to Friday on our behalf. So as you can see down here, these are two plans. I started off with $59. Then later on, I added $309. The $59 thus far has been generating income for me. So it's like $5.19 since I started this program on the 24th of January, UK time. That's why I realized it's UK time. And this other project I started February 7th. So after 24 hours, it will start to trade for each. My first trade actually kick in on the 8th of February. So definitely you can see that the first trade generated me $2.47, which of course that is powerful. So the $2.47, you can see that right there. So you look at the details. Okay, this first portfolio is going to expire on December 12th, 2023. And as you can see, because their Vortic United is going to subtract 20%, so I'm only going to receive 80% back from my $59. So I will receive 47.20 back. So the same thing with the second package. As you all can see, all right, this package is going to mature on December 26th, and I'm only going to receive $247.20 back. So current profit, which is just one day, I generated $2.47. So that is why I'm sharing this video, because I want to show you the power of this platform. Now, if you look right here, you see referral commissions. Because I'm an investor, so my first level, I'm going to generate 10%. Second level, I'm going to generate 4%. And third level, I'm going to generate 3%. So anytime you join this platform, you are able to generate up to 3 levels deep. But in order to generate from the 4th level to the 15th level, you have to unlock it. So that is why in my previous video, I did mention that my goal is I want to become an agent. So in order for me to unlock the 4th level to become an agent, all right, I need to have a volume of 1,000 USDT in my community within my team. So right now I'm getting closer to it, all right? As you can see right now, I'm 37% away from the $1,000. And when I get to an agent, I'm going to get a bonus of $50. So in order for me to start receiving residual commission, I need to get to partner. So that is when you start to receive residual commission. Because as you all can see right here, in order to unlock level 1 residual commission, I need to be partner, and I'll get 10% off of that. So we are actually crawling to wealth, and that is the ultimate goal, is to get beyond partner. Because as you can see, with partner, I need $5,000 USD, 5,000 USDT of volume within my team, and I would get 250 USDT. So it's the same thing with operator, and it just go from there. Then you go all the way to manager, you go to director, and you just keep on going. So I'm super excited, but this is what I want to show you all, right? The power of this platform is very, very important, because the power of this platform, as you all can see, is what got me drawn to the platform. So in order to do that, let me just go to the simple calculator. So let's just give, for instance, right? If you join the platform with, like I did, $59 the first time, right? Because I was still trying to play around with it. And the plan A, you're gonna get like 0.8%, all right? You're gonna get 0.8%. So to do the math, it's gonna be 0.008, right? And that is how I'm receiving that 47, as you all can see right here. As you all can see, if you look at my history, that is how I'm receiving that 47 cents, or 47 USDT. So USDT is equivalent to $1 US. So sometimes I will make mistake and say dollars or cent, but I like to say USDT, because we are in the crypto space, right? So if you look at, right, because of the 309 that I deposited, you will realize that 309 is now generating pretty much $2.47. So this is how it's done. So the 309 times 0.008. So that is how I'm receiving that $2.47. So it's very, very important, because if you come in, right, if you look at, for example, the next level, which is plan B starts at it starts at 2,500. So if you come into plan B with $2,500, right? And this is what you're going to be generating daily. And that is pretty much you're going to generate, okay, 1%. Going to generate 1% for plan B. And you're going to be receiving $25 daily. Folks, keep this in mind. $25 daily if you come into plan B, right? It's very, very important for you to understand that you're going to get paid 5 times in a week, because you're going to get paid Monday through Friday. So if you times that by 5, this is what you're going to get within a week's time. Now, this program is set up, this plan B is set up for 40 weeks, right? So if you times this by 40, it's very simple to understand this program, folks. You're gonna get $5,000 back. So now you're gonna get $5,000 back plus the 80% you're gonna get it back also. So that will be added on top of this. So for simple math, let's just go ahead and do $5,000, right, for plan B, because as you all can see, plan B starts from, for the portfolio, plan B starts from 2,500, and you're going to generate, you're going to get 1%. Then after that, in order to get to plan C, it starts from $10,000. So let's just say if you come in with like $5,000 for plan B, right? You understand that right off the bat, you're going to get 1% daily. You're going to receive 1% daily. So that's like $50, right? So for the math, you will see right here that you're going to get that 1%, $50. Now, if you times that by 5 days, Monday through Friday, you times that by 5 days, that's $250 you're going to get. Now, if you take this and times it by 40 weeks, right? You times it by 40 weeks because that's the duration of the plan. You're going to get $10,000. Now, with this $10,000, you're going to get an additional, you're going to get your original additional $4,000 back added to this plan. Man. So pretty much you're going to get $14,000 back. So if you deduct or subtract the 5,000 that you put, that you started this plan with, right? You're going to be left with $9,000. So folks, tell me, where can you put $5,000 right now to be on a safe side? Because this is a risk management program long term. You put your $5,000, and at the end of the day, you're going to get $9,000 in profit. Where? You cannot get that in the bank. But what you feel to realize is that every day, as your plan portfolio generates whatever income, you can withdraw it. You can withdraw your daily profit as long as it is, right? Keep this in mind. You can withdraw it as long as it is. Refresh this screen. As long as it is within these parameters, meaning that if you want to withdraw in BTC, it has to be an equivalent of 50 USDT. If you want to withdraw in Ethereum, all right, the minimum, at least the minimum has to be 50 USDT. If you want to withdraw in USDT ERC20, it has to be $100. And USDT TRC20, the minimum is $10 USDT to withdraw it. So right now, I try to qualify to withdraw this $31.79. But I'm not going to withdraw it because I have a different plan. I want to build this up so that I can go above $50, right? As long as it get above $50, I'm going to buy another plan. That is my game. That's my strategy to build and buy another plan. So I just want to just bring that to you all so you can understand the power of the numbers in this program. So simple. Let's just do one more example, right? If you just do $1,000, you start the program off with $1,000, daily with the $1,000 because you will be in plan A. You're gonna get $8. Simple as that. You take this $8 and you times it by 4. I'm sorry, you times it by 5. So you take the $8, you times it by 5, but that's 5 days, Monday through Friday in the week. You're gonna get $40. Now you take this $40 and you times it by 46 weeks, right? You're gonna get $1,840. So $1,840 plus the $800 because you're gonna get back 80% back from your initial investment. So you're gonna get that $800 back. So that's $260. Now, if you take you subtract $1,000 from this $260, you just made $1,000, $1,640, folks. So this is very powerful. So when you understand the numbers, you play around with the numbers, that can tell you how much you will be able to generate from this program. And imagine if you are also building. Keep in mind, if you are also building, you're going to start receiving 10% on your first level. You're going to receive 4% on your second level. You're going to receive 3% on your third level. When you are an investor, there's no requirement, right, for you to start receiving those first 3 levels. It's just that you will not receive any bonus. You won't receive any bonus. So this is very powerful for you to understand how you can actually grow your income with Vortic United. And folks, do not sleep on Vortic United. Even though it may not look sexy, right? But one thing I'm looking at this program, it is trading. Risk is involved in it. But just understanding the mechanics that have been placed in order to protect our investment seem to be like minimal risk. So it's not a high risk platform. So that's why it's long term. So I would say, test it out, come into it. Like I always like to test a program out. So that's why, usually my first investment is always low. I want to understand the platform. And I will encourage you to do the same thing too. So test it out with a low investment because the risk to enter into this program is very low. The minimum is $50. That is not the sweet spot, to be very honest with you. I'm built up to the sweet spot. I believe the sweet spot is $1,000. That's what I believe in. So I'm building up my account to that. So you don't have to just come in with everything that you have because you don't want to risk losing your money. Like I always tell people, invest only what you can afford to lose, meaning that you'll still be able to go to bed at night and you won't develop stress and pressure. So with that being said, good people, remember that you are the architect of your own financial future. Do not allow anyone to tell you how to crawl into wealth. And if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Folks, my link is in the description below, and I will pin it in the comment also. So if you want to come ahead and jump into Vortic United to test it out, I encourage you to do so. Until next time, this is G Boss with Crawl into Wealth. Peace out, good people.